Hi and welcome to the channel. Regulars will know I do a lot of contesting up in the Yorkshire Dales. This hill is due south of my contesting spot. It's called Penhill. I've never been up it, but an opportunity arose to go out with some friends walking. I took a radio with me and up Penhill we went. November, pedestrian portable, Golf 0 Charlie, November, pedestrian portable, calling CQ, hello CQ, Golf 0 Charlie, November, pedestrian portable, G0 CNN portable, calling CQ.
Good afternoon, Ian. Golf 4 Victor Charlie Juliet.
Hartlepool.
Hartlepool.
Oh.
You've got a droop on Ian.
Hang on, my rocks fell down. That was a near miss. The rock nearly hit me up. Hang on a sec, Bob. I've just lost my aerial on the wall. Hang on. I'm just west of Leyburn and Redmire, Bolton Castle, that sort of thing. I'm on the other side of the Dale, the south side, at on Penhill. You know that massive flat top hill you can see in Wensleydale. I'm up here with some walkers and just hiding behind a dry stone wall for lunch, Roger. Yeah, 5 watts from a Yaesu FT65, Bob, and a homemade flower pot and a 3 metre whip, Roger. Alright, John, G0VG said, yeah, out again, John, and getting Bob no problem from Hartlepool. So Hartlepool and Shildon ticked off. I thought I might get south, I might get Leeds, somewhere Doncaster that way today.
Alright, yeah, no problem. Well, I'm on my usual 100 watts at the moment and X200. But yeah, I'm glad I caught you then.
Can you hear Bob and John?
I can. Can you just give me a report, Ian, for long, just before I forget to ask?
5'9", everyone's 5'9".
Yeah, it's good when you get up in it. I can hear John. I can't hear anybody else. I can just hear John. I'll just say hello. Hey up, John. Hey up, man. How are you doing, mate? I forgot to say it. You jumping up there to get some contact in me and Bob. Well, we're away about links and nodes and repeaters. Anyway, yes, man. I got you 5 and 9. Yeah. So yeah. What made you go out?
No, there's a group of us from work, and it's a Monday once a month, and it's generally this side, Swaledale, Wensleydale, or North York Moors, and yeah, we're up, so we started off at West Burton, near Aysgarth, and then we went up literally straight up Penhill. We're along the top, and at some point we're going down sort of West Whitton side, and then along the bottom. Back to the car, so it'll be about 10 mile and a lot of climbing, Roger.
Yeah, it sounds good, does. Sounds good. I love getting out, walking and stuff like that. Don't do it often enough, really, lately. Roger, John 73.
Last lesson with Peter on Wednesday.
Roger, G0 CNN portable QSY 500.
Blackwell,
CQ, G0 CNN pedestrian portable, Golf 0 Charlie, November, pedestrian portable in Wensleydale, G0 CNN pedestrian portable, calling CQ.
G0 CNN, Mike. 2 Echo 0, Tango Papa Romeo, stroke mobile.
And I think M0ALA is there as well. 2E0 TP R mobile, G0 CNN portable. Ian up in Wensleydale, Roger.
Good afternoon, Ian. Name's Tom, Tango Oscar Mike, and I am just near Teesside Airport.
So safe journey, I'll catch you later, 7-3.
7-3 Jane, take care of yourself, enjoy a little walk there. 2 Echo 0, Tango Papa Romeo, stroke mobile, 7-3.
Yeah, Roger told me, cracking signal as well, 7-3.